Hi, I'm Jeff with ISU's Office of Workforce Training, and welcome to Training Talk. Today we're going to be talking about effective meetings and giving you a couple tips that you can use to help make sure that your next meeting runs as smoothly and as efficiently as possible. When planning your meeting, the first thing you need to decide is what type of meeting am I going to have. Essentially, there are two types of meetings: information meetings and decision-making meetings. And there's a couple differences between the two. For an information meeting, the number of people that you want to attend or that you can have attend is unlimited. It's unlimited because the communication that takes place in one of these type of meetings is one way. You're not looking for feedback, you're not necessarily looking for comments or suggestions, you're just there to give out information. An example of an information meeting may be a staff meeting, or a board or shareholder meeting, or a meeting of supervisors to lay out a new policy that's coming down the line. So again, if you're having an information meeting, you can have as many people as you'd like because the communication is one way. The other type of meeting is a decision-making meeting. And here the purpose of this meeting is to reach a decision on an item or a topic that you need to have some discussion on. So for a decision-making meeting, the number of people that you want to have there will be limited. As in any case, the more people you have, the more difficult it becomes to reach a consensus and accomplish what you want to accomplish. So for your decision-making meeting, invite only the people that need to be there. Hopefully it's just a limited amount. The other reason you want a limited amount is because the discussion that takes place in an information meeting is two-way. You may be brainstorming, you may be seeking for feedback, a lot of different reasons there, but the information there is dynamic and it's flowing two ways. So keep the numbers down so you can have better communication. Now, the next thing about an effective meeting is the agenda. And for me, a meeting without an agenda is like a ship without a rudder. It's going to go wherever it wants to, and you're not going to have a lot of control. But a meeting with an agenda is a meeting that's going to get accomplished what needs to be accomplished. Now, there's a couple things about the agenda that you need to keep in mind. Number one, you need to prioritize. Figure out the list of topics or the things that you need to get done during that meeting, and then prioritize them. Attack the most important items first. Attention spans are short. Get them while they're paying attention. The second thing, once you've prioritized, is to put a time value to it. So your most important topic, you may allow it 10 minutes, and everything else you may only allow 2 or 3 minutes. In a decision-making meeting, your main item for discussion may take 40 minutes of a 1-hour meeting, but make sure you allow the appropriate amount of time per discussion topic. And then lastly, which I think is critical, is distribute. Get your agenda out early so that those that are invited have a chance to review it, provide feedback if necessary, and also for decision-making meetings, it will allow them time to get their thoughts in order so they can come to the meeting prepared and be a contributing member of the meeting. Well, I hope these will help you. And again, I'm Jeff with ISU's Workforce Training. Thanks for participating in this session of Training Talk.